Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be publishing your website. So let's get into it. We're going to be publishing a website with a w3schools.io domain name. But it doesn't matter. So we're going to want to go to w3schools.com. And this is a easy to learn coding teaching website where you can learn tons of things. So, in the top right, there's a little button called Spaces, and you're going to want to click on this Spaces tab. In the Spaces tab, you're going to be able to create a website for free. That's going to show up in any browser. So, I'm going to make my I'm going to do coding with the coder Simon. Now, put in your first and last name. Then, check your email. And verify your email. Then, we're going to, I have clicked the email. And there we go. Now we're logged in completely to our W3 Schools website hosting. So we're going to click on Basic, and we're going to just click on HTML. Then we're going to go through the basic. We're going to name our space. It's going to be coding with Simon w3spaces.com. And then we're going to create this. And now it's going to take a few minutes, but we're going to create our spaces. And we're going to make a simple hello, I'm coding with Simon. Now, we're going to look at our index.html, and we're going to get started. So, we're going to edit our code, and we're going to write all of our code here. So, let's do an H1 that says the coding with Simon. With Simon. And now, we're going to run this, and we're going to save. And now, if we go to our coding with Simon .w3 spaces.com, so our coding with Simon thing.